So Unpacked is tomorrow. We are here. We're getting the new phones. The S24 Ultra is just around the corner, and the Plus and the S24. I'm excited about it. But if you have the S23 Ultra, should you upgrade? This is, if not the best phone of 2023. And of course, throughout 2024, this will still be a monster. So if you do have this phone, should you upgrade? We're going to talk about the differences between the two phones right now. But if you're new to the channel, guys, hit that like, drop a sub. But the S24 Ultra versus the S23 Ultra, we're going to talk first on build quality. The S24 Ultra will be a titanium frame. It will be a stronger glass, but because of that, it will be lighter than the S23 Ultra. And I have experienced this with the iPhone 15 lineup. The titanium phones on there feel lighter, and they do not, in my opinion, feel as premium, even though they really are more premium. But they don't feel as premium as what we have when we have a stainless steel build on the more premium devices from last year. So if just holding the phone is going to be a problem, if it feels lighter, if it's too light, if it doesn't feel like a premium device, you know, that might be an option, but definitely not a reason not to upgrade your device. Now, one of the next things, the screen brightness. Now, the brightness on this device this is the S23 Ultra. Of course, this is 1750 when it comes to the nits for brightness, and it is plenty bright. There are much brighter phones now, but remember, this is a year-old phone, so the ones that are brighter have come out later in the year, and the S24 Ultra will be much brighter. I think it's around 40% brighter than what we have on here. It's going to be 2600 nits on the display. And the display is supposed to be a little sharper, a little crisper, but again, the S23 Ultra is a beast, and the display on here is absolutely beautiful. Now, one of the other differences is performance, right? The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is going to be on the S24 Ultra, and this is the 8 Gen 2 on here. They do say a 30% boost in CPU performance and a 25% boost in GPU for graphics, so we'll see. But again, this phone is so good and so powerful already. Will anyone even notice, unless you're a pro user, will anyone ever notice the difference in performance unless you're a heavy gamer or something like that? But the people that use this phone and don't game on their devices are not going to care about that at all, because the S23 Ultra is still a monster, and it's going to be a great phone for years to come. Still, 3 years down the line, this phone will still be a monster. Now, we already know from all the leaks and the rumors that the S24 Ultra will have a bunch of new AI features, which are great. We see it on the Pixels and other devices already, and it works really well, and it's just going to keep improving. Now, these AI features, are going to be exclusive to the S24 Ultra, and because it is software, I am thinking that it will trickle down and we will see it on the S23 Ultra at some point, just not right away. And it makes sense, right? They want you to buy the newest, the biggest and baddest phone that they produce. The S24 Ultra will definitely be that, and that at launch will be the only device with these AI features. It's going to help with some of the camera and the new telephoto lens on here. I believe it's a 50 megapixel telephoto compared to what we had on the 23 Ultra here was a 10x. I mean, I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to upgrade just because of the channel. I am going to get the S24 Ultra and the S23 Plus and do a bunch of content on both. But if I'm just, if I'm not doing YouTube, I can tell you right now, I would not upgrade my S23 Ultra to the new device. If I had the S22 Ultra, I probably would, but the S23 Ultra is still fantastic in every single way. It takes really good photos, very powerful, very fast. It does anything. It has the S Pen. Of course, the new one will have the S Pen too, but this phone will be great for years to come. All day battery life, and you really don't need to upgrade this device at all. So if you are just coming to this video to see if you should upgrade if you have this phone, I don't think you should, unless they give us the old Samsung trade-in deals that are crazy. If we can get $1,000 for this device and then a free pair of earbuds and an extra $50 for reserving your spot early, then I would say maybe you want to upgrade, because then you're coming out of pocket like $250, $300. But again, these will start at a higher price point than what the S23 Ultra did. But I'll see you guys tomorrow watching Unpacked, and we'll talk about this more, and you'll see it here in the studio soon. That's it, guys. Hit that like, drop a sub. I'll be back soon. Peace.